Hi besties, this is one video you should not afford to miss. So if you have just started testing the waters and investing in the stock market, this video is that one you should watch. So don't start investing in stocks if you have not watched this particular video. More so, do not start investing if you don't know the type of person you are. So I want to talk to you about Amazon stock that is about to make people new millionaires, and let's talk about it. So what type of person are you? Are you type 1, type 2, or type 3? I'm going to tell you. Type 1 person is the kind of person who makes things happen. Type 2, people who watch things happen. Type 3, people who ask, what happened? So I believe you're type 1 because if you are, you should be in our money community printing dollars. People go to bed, wake up, and they wake up with profits in dollars. So today I'm going to talk about Amazon opportunities, and one of my mantras is when people sleep, we earn in dollars. So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a major video you're going to enjoy. So major salute to all my community members who did their thing last week. It was amazing. We had a call out on Micron technology, and it did well. So now we are about to give you some gist on this one. I'm giving you this information on time so you can go through it and do your research. What will you be learning today? I love to tell you what you're going to learn so that you get to make up your mind whether you're going to watch this video or not. First of all, I'm going to talk to you about Amazon stock and why you must own the stock. And I'm going to share with you a cash out method and why this stock is making people new millionaires. You can be one of them, but let's roll. I'm going to start by giving us a disclaimer. Okay, the ideas I'm sharing in this video are my personal views from my experiences, my research, and what has worked for me. Make sure you do your own due diligence before you invest, and this is for educational purposes. But if you wish to learn from me and get the results that we have in the community, welcome to my dollar community. We have the stock to wealth. That's the basics where you get to learn about the basic foundation of stock market and how to earn passive income every month for just 10,000 naira. Or you can choose to be in my VIP Wealth Builders community. Beyond the stocks app and financial plan, you're going to see all my buys and my sell stock plays, just 50,000 naira. So click on the link in the description and join us. Moving on. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia, and on this channel, I show you how to make money, how to save money, and how to multiply your money through investing. If this is the kind of content you like, please stick around and you will get all the information that will help you turn your next 90 days into a blissful moment. So let's go. Let me ask you this. Have you ever shopped online? I'm sure you have, of course. Have you gone on Amazon website to buy either a book or clothes or anything at all? Amazon owns one of the biggest e-com websites. In fact, if they are the biggest, they are the biggest. Amazon. So do you know about Amazon shares? You may have heard about it. Do you know you with just 2,000 naira, you can actually be a co-owner, shareholder of this beautiful and amazing stock? Why I love Amazon stock. First of all, it has a market cap of $1.9 trillion. That's amazing. This is one of the top five, largest stocks in the entire world. Currently, as at the time of recording, this stock is around 181.90 cents. Year to date, this stock has returned 21%, meaning if you had 100K, you would have made 121,000 naira. All right, meaning the last 30 days, the stock hasn't done much. So let's go to the chart. So I'm going to show you a couple of things. But first of all, I want to talk to you about Amazon. So this is Amazon. This is year to date. You can see it has dropped to 19.76 because the stock has dropped from 182, 183 to 181. So as at the time market closes, 181.96. Look at the market cap, guys. See this, amazing. And we're still on strong buy. And this is the last 52. It has dropped to 118 within the last 1 year. and has gone up to 201. So imagine if you bought within this range, you would have been balling. That's like almost double of your money. Okay. One thing about stock markets is that you have to understand when to buy and when to sell. If you understand these two things, you are going to go very, very far. So today I'm going to talk to you about my targets. This is one stock I love. In future, I hope to have up to 1,000 shares of this stock. Yes, I said it. Now, why are people interested? I want to show you something. There is this billionaire called Philippe Lafont. He is packing this stock. He's been talking about it. He's been, letting people know he's buying a lot of this stock. There are people that whenever they start indicating interest in a stock, you should know something is up. And another amazing thing I love about Amazon is that Amazon owns a pharmacy. Do you know that? I'm sure you don't know. The good thing about Amazon is that is one of the companies I love to have. The reason is simple. It is first of all a solid company, okay? Secondly, it's profitable, it's sustainable, it's competitive and futuristic. They have a lot of things. They have things that other businesses need, like they have the AWS, the Amazon Web Services, where a lot of companies are using their cloud services, okay? And for this pharmacy, they give up to 40% discount to people who sign up to be, part of, just joining the membership club, all right? An amazing, amazing company. And this, I saw this on Forbes, and they said, could Amazon Pharmacy become the largest drugstore in US? Hmm. When I hear things like this, I know I'm doing the right thing, like I'm getting the main gist. So let me take you to the charts. And for today, I'll be using Weibo. So on Weibo, I want to show you what happened today. Okay. So stock markets opened around 183, and this stock tried to pick up to 183.45 and got sold off down and traded sideways until markets closed. But I want to show you the last, the daily time frame of this. I want you to see something. You see this stock dropped to around 151. This was the first time I bought it for this year. I buy this kind of stocks when they have a pullback, not when they are going up. So understand the times and seasons of when to buy a stock. And now, after touching 194, it has been dropping. It is currently at 182, and I'm buying this stock little by little, and I'm hoping to get it into the 170s because it has actually a bearish move downwards, and it has a strong support around 172. So if it breaks 183, sorry, 181, and gets into 180, 179, this stock most likely will come down to 175, and that will be a sweet spot for me. Now the question is, from this 180, if you buy this stock at 180 and this stock has been tipped, it has a price target from major institutions that this stock will get to 240 in the next few months. So peradventure you shop for this. This is the kind of stock you buy and you roll it over to your children. This is the kind of stock you can buy as a gift for your children. When they are turning 15, 18, they are already millionaires. That's why I say this stock is going to make new millionaires. But now it is cheap. This stock will eventually get to 300, and you'll be saying, you listen to me when I talked about it. So how are you going to make money from this stock? This stock from this 180 to 200 is about $20. But because they have a price target of 240, meaning that if you buy it at 180, you're going to make $60 profit. But I have a powerful strategy I teach in my community, and this particular strategy I teach my community enables us to earn more than $60. So you can see the stock has been dropping. So it touched 180 and it's still going to come further down. What we are doing is we are grabbing this stock and we're making sure that as we are picking it at this cheap price, 180, 175 range, when it begins to move up, we employ my rinse and repeat strategy, and this strategy will help us to make more than $60. You may be talking about $120. That means double that same profit. So this is why you should be in the community. I love this stock. If you want to get this stock, please download the app Optimus by AfriInvest or Trove or Bamboo or Rise. Any of these stocks apps can actually do the work for you, and you don't need to do so much. Download this stock, start buying it little by little. In future, the stock is going to shock you. I've given you a secret. The stock will make millionaires. Trust me when I say it. This is the kind of stock you will buy. People that had this stock 10 years ago, 5 years ago, they are already millionaires in dollars. So imagine putting in your time to grab some of this stock now that it's cheaper. So this is a good information that I've shared with you, and I hope you are going to leverage on this. It would be wonderful for you to join my community because that is where you're going to learn this strategy I'm talking about. So moving back to the slide, I want to tell you that if you cannot afford to join my community, you can buy my book. It's called Dollar Earners. Here I shared the ideas you're going to use to earn money from stock market, and it is just 2,500. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, drop a comment. Tell me the next stock you want me to analyze for you and tell you if you should buy it or not. My opinion, of course, not educational, is for educational purposes. Thank you so much.